Does YouTube TV provide access to ESPN Plus? YouTube TV offers a fantastic lineup of sports, including ESPN, ESPN2, and others as part of its base plan. However, ESPN Plus is not included in its subscription. It's a separate streaming service that offers exclusive live events, original shows, and on-demand content not available on regular ESPN channels. If you want to enjoy ESPN Plus while using YouTube TV, you'll need to subscribe to ESPN Plus separately and connect it through the ESPN app. Let me walk you on how to do this. Step 1. Subscribe to the YouTube TV base plan. Start by subscribing to the YouTube TV base plan. This plan provides access to ESPN, ESPN2, and other popular sports networks. It's the foundation for watching live games, highlights, and ESPN programming. Simply visit the YouTube TV website or download the app to create your account and activate your subscription. Once subscribed, you'll be ready to enjoy ESPN's live sports coverage directly on YouTube TV. Step 2. Subscribe to ESPN Plus. Since ESPN Plus is not included in YouTube TV, the next step is to subscribe to ESPN Plus separately. Go to the ESPN Plus website or download the ESPN app to sign up. Choose a subscription plan, monthly or annually, that suits your needs. Once you've created your account, ESPN Plus will give you access to exclusive content like UFC fights, out-of-the-market NHL games, and original series like Detail. Step 3. Download the ESPN app. To bring YouTube TV and ESPN Plus together, you'll need to download the ESPN app. Download the app on your preferred device, whether it's a smartphone, smart TV, or streaming device. After installation, log in using your ESPN Plus credentials. The app is your hub for accessing both ESPN Plus exclusives and live ESPN channels provided by YouTube TV. Step 4. Link YouTube TV to the ESPN app. To fully integrate YouTube TV with the ESPN app, link your YouTube TV account. Open the ESPN app, go to the settings menu, and select the option to link to your TV provider. Choose YouTube TV from the list and sign in with your YouTube TV credentials. This connection enables seamless access to both ESPN Plus content and live ESPN broadcasts in one place. Step 5. Enjoy ESPN content with YouTube TV. Once everything is set up, you're ready to enjoy the best of both worlds. Use the ESPN app to watch exclusive content like documentaries, college sports, and special events from ESPN Plus. At the same time, you can switch to live ESPN coverage from YouTube TV directly within the app. This integration ensures you won't miss out on any action, whether it's a major event or ESPN Plus exclusives.